When my troubles are a little too heavy, who can I turn to share the weight? When my mind is clouded and cloudy, who can I turn to?
Shotguns? Yeah! Shotguns, keep it going! There. 10 more steps and you're there.
Made it, man!
Woo, our supporters.
Usoe wala tamay aleyunga Lea solea enuai o mea uma Ye fai nei so filinga
Hi family! Yeah, I just want to say a little speech about why we're starting this challenge. Yeah, and mafuangan ngay. First, ngô mà liu tết. Dua, mà liu ko finge ya mel. Kodu. Wa ulis ka makai. A more diabetic person. As I told you guys before, diabetic, it really turns my life upside down. Why? Because it can kill your kidney, it can damage your lungs, it can damage your heart, it can kill your liver. Wala kong wala challenge, because when I look at our kids and us, I don't want to lose any more person in our family. Kau mga umiya sa may fapenga. Okay, mga apoy la feel like ako fangaw like yo la no fangaw everyone mawai mai or kingo mai re kaunga mawai o siya. Eating rubbish food, eating this, eating that, it's not good. I know it's too bad because I regret it. So family, please family, take my advice. No matter how hard is the training, please support them. I don't like this training. I'm not happy with this. I was like that. As you guys know, our first training at the domain, I was trying to catch up, but people are going fast. So okay, if you feel right, but now, man, the different from the beginning until now, our family are looking good. So it's working. Please, family, keep going. Don't give up. Okay, I am so proud of our family right now because when I look at us, our kids, they are so happy right now to do the training and that. Please keep going. Keep doing the good work. Ia pe ole mea nga o sa u faukuanga ka ko ainga. That's my advice for us. So yeah, and keep praying for our family, especially our kids growing up really fast. Yeah, pe ole sa u kalmo pupu aku nga ay famangi kele aku mau ka ko ferfangi. Yeah. Love you all. Thank you.
And oh my soul, you have not been left alone. For he counted us worthy, so let's be worthy. Just trust and know you're strong enough to carry on. He counted us worthy, so let's be worthy. Oh my soul, your name is written in the book of life. Keep walking in dominion and his mind. You serve the Son, you serve the one who knew you long before you begun. And you are worthy, and you are worthy. Go ahead and encourage yourself. Look inside and draw from the well. The water flows and heaven knows that you can make.
Hi family, evike. Malola wal sai foi ai o farkua mango foi alo. E fa malulu aku. O male aku ma meke ka ko kolenginga nge yaso. O ngolela ma ole le maliu. O sino mo ko ka wanga. Ai mangui ala war kolenginga mo por kalamen fo fuanga. Ai ku ifonga pancake. Okay, fa mangui le tuale le kolenginga nga nge. Yeah, so if one o Yesu, amen.
Hi fams, just like Mom said, God, we're missing our referral session, but knowing that you guys are continue to show up and be a shining light in my life with my health, grateful and thankful. No doubt, Angale Oko, man, I definitely would have been back at 140 kilos easily, but I'm managing to stay under that 129 mark. So it's all God and you guys for your help in my journey and with my wife and son and mum and us all. Just keep going, never give up. I told Kongi Whakakongi ever since the passing of John, I've just struggled to lose weight. My training and mindset hasn't, but it was like always wanting to do videos so John could see me train hard, and hopefully it helped him and Chris and the kids. But just want you guys to go hard, keep showing up. We go through phases in life, seasons, and I'm hoping that season kicks back in for me where I start shredding off the weight. But one thing I know that I'm never missing on is that mindset and discipline to show up for you guys, for going to Tish and the kids, Chris, the kids, John, George and Leah, William and Pulimau's kids, and our mums. So keep going, never give up, and grateful for you guys. Love yous. I hope Eke and Leah and Tish didn't go too hard on you guys. These are the birthday did. They had to, because man, you guys are future leaders. Ike, Lika, man, Alatina, niece, Komiki, future leaders for our younger ones. And, like we're setting examples. God bless. Amen.